Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you a quick tour of the Vdara City Corner Suite. The Vdara is a sister hotel of Aria. They don't have a casino in there, but it's really nicely connected to the Cosmo and the Aria, so you can walk over to both. The City Corner Suite is 811 square feet. This one's featuring a king bed. Honestly, Vdara is our favorite place to stay in Vegas because of the full kitchen and all the amenities. The bedroom is very modern, has, you got your TV, your vanity, your tablet. Love having the chargers next to the bed. The bathroom also has a door that connects to the bedroom. A really, really cool feature of the Vdara Suite, and I think all of the Vdara rooms are like this. You can adjust the curtains, the shade and the blackout, all that via buttons. So cool. This is my favorite feature for sure. How cool is that? So cool. Love the tech. Fancy, very fancy indeed. Gorgeous view. Look at that view. So pretty. There's a separate living room. There's also another TV there. That couch actually pulls out to be a sofa bed. So you can have 4 people sleep in here for sure. The living room and bedroom does separate by a sliding glass door, and it is perfect for entertaining. The windows, you can kind of sometimes see the other rooms if your light is on, so that's probably a shade that I would probably close when it gets towards the evening. The ultimate reason why we love to stay at the Vdara is having a full kitchen, like the kitchenette. You have all your stainless steel appliances, your fridge, your freezer, it's all ready to go. It's great for leftovers. They even have a stovetop. They also have a minibar. Their kitchen area has a dining table and seating for 4 people. You have your full-on sink. We did have a Keurig machine, but I think they forgot to give us coffee pods. Seriously, they have a dishwasher. What the heck? I don't even remember seeing that before, but I guess maybe it was always there. Lots of drawers, lots of space. You have your microwave and your stove. Obviously, the microwave is probably the most used amenity in the room. They have kitchenware on your request. Just give them a call. They'll give you all the plates, utensils, all of that. One of the most surprising features is having a little laundry room, like a full washer and a full dryer. That is wild. I don't know if they have this in the regular room because I haven't seen it, but that was really cool. And this is your closet space. They did give us robes, which I love. Super comfy robes. It's a really nice space. You can see all the Aria stuff because they're sister hotels and they share stuff. This is the bathroom now. You have your dual sinks. Your shower and a bathtub. No rainfall shower here, but we'll live. They have a deep soaking tub that has a nice view. This suite has an amazing view and it has all the amenities you can think of. You can actually stay here for a really long time. Dawn and I were joking that we could probably stay here for a month, no problem. Just, work on our computers. Hope you like that quick tour. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye!